Dear students of 11 Science, Commerce and 11 Arts A, already one YouTube video has been sent to you on pillars of democracy, and this is the second video that I am going to forward today to you, and you have to note down the questions and answers in your notebook. Number 1 activity is already completed. Activity 2 is here, so you just listen it carefully. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has cited the quotes by John Stuart Mill and Daniel O. Connell. Based on the passage, write down 4 to 5 lines for each of them. The first of all, we will think about John Stuart Mill. John Stuart Mill has given sound advice to all those who are interested in the maintenance of democracy. He says that we must never sacrifice our liberties at the feet of any man, howsoever great he may be. Neither should we trust him by giving him powers which may enable him to overthrow or destroy institutions. So this is the view of John Stuart Mill. Now we have to think about Daniel O'Connell. Daniel O'Connell has said that while there is nothing wrong in being grateful, no man should be grateful if it compromises his honor. Similarly, no woman would be grateful and sacrifice her purity, and no nation should be grateful at the cost of its liberty. So very crystal clear views are there. Here is the direct opposition for hero worship. Now activity number 3 is following here. The author says this caution is far more necessary. This caution is far more necessary in the case of India than in the case of any other country. Why? What is the caution? कोणती दक्षता भारताने बाळगायला पाहिजे, कोणती दक्षता आमच्यासारख्या धर्मनिरपेक्ष राज्यांनी बाळगायला पाहिजे की ज्या ठिकाणी लोकशाही अगदी वर्षानुवर्षांपासून शतकानुशतकांपासून नांदत आलेली आहे आणि जिथे व्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्याला अनन्यसाधारण महत्त्व आहे. त्या संदर्भामध्ये आम्हाला काही सतर्कतेच्या सूचना दिलेल्या आहेत, तर त्याबद्दल आपल्याला थोडंसं स्पष्टीकरण द्यायचं आहे. तर हे सुद्धा आपण आपल्या रजिस्टरमध्ये लिहून घ्यायचं. धिस कॉशन इज द कॉशन अगेन्स्ट hero worship. This caution is the caution against hero worship. The caution is far more necessary in the case of India because in India hero worship in politics is far more prevalent. भारतीय राजकारणामध्ये व्यक्तिपूजेला असाधारण महत्त्व आहे. आम्ही एखाद्या व्यक्तीला जर पुढारी मानलेला आहे, नेता मानलेला आहे, आपलं लीडर मानलेला आहे, तर आपण त्याला देवत्वच प्रदान करतो असं एका अर्थाने होतं आणि आपण त्याला प्रतिपरमेश्वर किंवा परमेश्वरी प्रतिनिधी या नात्यानेच मानतो. आपल्याला त्याच्या निष्ठेबद्दल त्याच्या कामगिरीबद्दल कुठलंच दुमत नाही, पण तरीसुद्धा आम्ही कोणाला देवत्व प्रदान करायला नाही पाहिजे. इट इज अ व्हेरी क्लिअर अँड क्रिस्टल क्लिअर ओपिनियन ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर. The author feels that such hero worship in politics can lead in degradation to eventual dictatorship. If the hero worship is there, dictatorship is bound to follow. व्यक्तिपूजा जिथे जिथे होते त्यानंतर केव्हाही हुकुमशाहीचा उदय होतो, हे इतिहासाने सुद्धा सिद्ध केलेलं आहे. नाउ वी हॅव टू write the question of personal response. Discuss hero worship by giving some examples. Hero worship is excessive admiration of someone. Hero worship is excessive admiration, अतिरिक्त प्रशंसा, excessive admiration of someone and belief that they are special or perfect. This happens very often in politics, sports, religion, and in the world of films. In such cases, the person feels that whatever his or her hero does is good and perfect, and he or she may even go against the family and loved ones for the hero. If the hero is a person of good values, then it may not be so bad. But if the person is not, then there is trouble. Many people hero worship cricketers like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, and film stars like Amitabh Bachchan, Rajinikanth, and even start fan clubs for them. While admiration is good, but hero worship to such an extent is bad and must not be encouraged. Now, here are the examples of textual grammar. The first statement is here. When there was no way left for constitutional methods for achieving economic and social objectives, there was a great deal of justification for unconstitutional methods. The question here is that you have to frame a WH question, and the WH question is already begins with when. The answer is when was there a great deal of justification for unconstitutional method. Next here is there is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong in being grateful in great men who have rendered lifelong services to the country. The matter here is you have to ask a rhetorical question. Rhetorical question is that type of question where the answer contains within the question itself. It is yes no type question, and the rhetorical question is like this: is there anything wrong Is there anything wrong in being grateful to great men who have rendered lifelong services to the country? So, the first activity sheet is completed here, dear students, and now